Hello there, everybody. Phil Simborg from the Backgammon Learning Center with a quick quiz for you. I gave this quiz to Michi yesterday. He and I are in Jamaica together this week, having a great time at the Jamaica Inn tournament. Neither of us won. I ran the tournament, and Michi has no excuse other than he didn't win. But we've had a ball, and we're coming back to Jamaica, both of us, in September 24th for the Jamaica International Tournament, where Akika will join us, David Wells, Bob Wachtel, Michael Niegu, Layla. Many really good players are coming. Frank Talbot's going to come too. So try and make that tournament. Let me know if you need information or watch my Facebook page. Anyway, in the last day or two, I missed 4 problems that I thought were interesting. I tested Michi on them and I recorded it, but the recording went kapooey. So I'll just tell you that he got 3 out of 4 right. So I feel good about one of them, at least, that he missed also. And I'm going to give you the test. I'm going to show you 4 problems that I missed. Why don't you see how you did? If you need more time from the time I post the position to the time I give the answer, pause the video. Okay, here's problem number 1, which I'm going to bring up on the screen right now on Extreme Gammon. It is a money game, cube in the center, white to play double 5. So again, pause the video if you need more time, or otherwise I'm going to give you the answer and tell you what Michi said. I think there's obviously only 2 plays. Go all the way from the 18 to the 8, or play 18, 13, and make the 3-point. So I think it has to be one of those 2 plays, and I'm right, it is one of those 2 plays. Well, Michi and I both got this one wrong. We did not hit. It's right to hit by quite a bit. We played the quiet play of just moving them all around. And the explanation is, with the cube in the center or not, there's just a heck of a lot more gammons that makes up for the difference. And those gammons, even if you're playing the Jacobi rule, is going to have a good effect on whether or not you can give the cube or have the cube taken. So don't be like Michi and me. Michi got all the rest of my problems right, but this one he got wrong. And again, I feel a little bit better that he would miss that. Okay, number 2. Money game. Cube has been turned and white has a 6-2 to play. And again, it looks to me like there's 3 plays. You can hit, you can make the 4-point, you can make the 2-point and come out. One of those 3 is right. Pause the video if you need more time, because the answer is you come out and cover, and I made the 4-point. Michi, of course, got it right. And the explanation is pretty obvious to me now. I don't think I would miss this play again. When you're blitzing, low points are good, and you have more covers for high points. It's not critical to make primes. It's more critical to make sure you make points and keep your opponent from anchoring. You already have 2 checkers up, so you don't need to hit the 3rd checker and give him more opportunities to anchor and hit you back. Okay, I blew it. And I'm surprised I blew it. The more I look at this now, the more I see how right the right play is. I don't think I would miss this again. What they might call a brain fart. Okay, number 3. This is a cube action problem. Red is on roll. And the question is, should red double? It's a money game again. Should red double? And if red double, should white take or pass? You need to get both parts. Okay, it clearly is a double. The question is whether it's a take or not. You're down 16 pips in the race. How often will you get a shot and hit it? Well, there's 16 numbers that don't get by. And let's say you hit that about 30% of the time. So you get about 5 wins from the hit. And the question is, do you pick up another 4 wins to get you to 25% from the race? And the answer is, I thought it was no, and I passed. The answer is yes, you have a take here. So these kinds of positions are very race sensitive. This is a big take, but if you made White's race a little bit worse, then it would be a pass. And it's going to be pretty tricky to move the checkers to where it gets to be a pass, but just by increasing Red's race a few pips, then the chances of winning very many games from oh, this is right. I got it found right on the edge here. Had to make it a couple more pips, probably something like that, to where you don't have enough racing chance to turn it into a pass. But Michi got it right. I didn't. I didn't think there was enough race equity. Okay, number 4, last one. This is a match cube question. White is leading 4 away, 7 away, and is on roll. Should White double? If White doubles, should Red take or pass? I got this wrong and Michi got it right, and Michi explained it very well. Again, pause the video if you don't want to hear the answer yet. The answer is it is a double and a take. And what I didn't realize, when you're winning, I'm a little bit more hesitant to give the cube when you're ahead because the recube big, but being 4 away is a great opportunity to cube to 2, because winning 2 points is big and winning 4 points is the match. It's interesting that if you were 5 away or 3 away, this would not be a double. It's because you're 4 away and the efficiency of the cube usage. So let me I tested that with Michi. Let's make it 5 away instead of 3 away instead of. And look, it's a huge no double if you're 3 away instead of being 4 away. Let's go the other way, where you are 5 away. Again, no double. It gets closer, but I really learned something here about giving the cube when you're 4 away, and getting the cube on 2, and especially when you are very unlikely to get gammoned if things go badly. And White doesn't get gammoned very often in this position, even if things go bad. So it's a great cube. Michi caught it and I missed it. Hope you enjoyed the quiz. And if you go to my YouTube channel, or if you're already on my YouTube channel and scroll down, you'll see there are many, many more quizzes, interviews, interesting positions. Love to have you around. Michi and I are leaving Jamaica today, Wednesday. I'm sorry, we're leaving tomorrow. We got a shoot today. We're leaving tomorrow. We're both going to Sweden. We're both going to Monte Carlo. And we're both coming back to Jamaica in September. We'll see you all guys around. Thanks and bye-bye.